Hi, this is Brian from websticker.com, and I'm going to show you how to properly convert fonts to outlines in Adobe Illustrator. This is the file we are going to be working with today. I'm going to start by showing you what happens when I open a file that doesn't have the fonts converted, meaning the fonts are still live. You can see the first thing that happens is I get a dialog box that tells me which fonts are missing. In this case, it is just the one font, Sharpie Styly, that is missing. When the file opens, Illustrator reverts the fonts to a common system font. Most of the time, this drastically changes the design and layout, so in order to keep the integrity of the original design, I will show you the following steps to easily convert the live fonts to vector objects in Illustrator. The first thing I highly recommend you do is to save the file with a different name, because once you convert the fonts, they are no longer editable, and this can be very inconvenient if you don't keep a separate file with the live fonts. I usually add converted to the end of the file name. A lot of people intuitively do this to convert fonts to outlines. This is not the type of outlines we are looking for. The actual function is in the Type menu in Illustrator, and it's called Create Outlines. By creating outlines, we are converting the copy from editable paths into vector art. Once the art is vector, it is like most other elements in Illustrator and is made up of a series of points that connects the dots to form each letter. Now when I go to open this file, I am able to view the fonts the way they were meant to be viewed and eventually printed. I hope this was helpful in understanding why we asked for fonts converted to outlines. And as a final clarification, the action of what we are doing is converting the fonts to outlines, but the actual function in Illustrator is called Create Outlines, which again is found under the Type menu.